Welcome to Nehan Drawing!
Watch the yellow pencil start to glide, making room for all the dreams inside. A heart is growing tall and feeling sweet, with a tiny stem and tiny little feet. A pot to hold the magic care, bringing happy smiles from everywhere. Oh, feel the sparkle, watch the garden bloom, chasing every little shadow from the room. We're growing heart plants one by one, shining brighter golden little hearts are floating in the air, sharing love and kindness everywhere. Everywhere. A stroke of red to make it bold and bright, filling up the heart with morning light. See the green leaves reaching for the sky, watching all the pretty colors fly. Blue and pink upon the planter's face, making every line a happy place. Oh, feel the sparkle, watch the garden bloom, chasing every little shadow from the room. We're growing heart plants one by one, shining brighter golden little hearts are floating in the air, sharing love and kindness everywhere. Everywhere. Every little line is a secret we keep in the garden of the heart, so wide and deep. Growing up together, standing side by side, letting all the happy feelings be our guide. Oh, feel the sparkle, watch the garden bloom, chasing every little shadow from the room. We're growing heart plants one by one, shining brighter golden little hearts are floating in the air, sharing love and kindness everywhere. Yeah, everywhere. Look at what we made today. Hope you had fun with every line. Grab a pencil, let's go. Watch the heart start to grow. A curve and a point, everything's in joint. Two and a point, everything's in joint. Two little leaves, that's what the heart believes. Draw a little part, give it all that you've got. Soil for the sprout, it's what it's all about. Look at the shine, everything looks fine. Everything looks fine. Little eyes look around, face without a sound, smiling so sweet, making us complete. Floating hearts fly up into the sky, up into sky, up into the sky. Now a brush in the hand, colors on demand. Pink for the clay, brightening the day. Green for the clay, brightening the day. Green for the vine, starting to look divine. Red for the bloom, filling up the room. Hearts big and small, growing for us all. Look at it shine, everything looks divine. Everything looks fine. See you again in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.